Yeah. Oh yeah. Fucking Slumberjay, can't say. Daddy's just drove past. He's looking at this cunt. He's fucking. Oh. I'm in hot pursuit. Oh, he doesn't know where the fuck he's going. Huh? No, he's not. He's walking around in the middle of the fucking road. I want to go chat to him. I'll see you later. What's going on, mate? Few beers?
How you going?
Not bad. You're pretty pissed.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
How you going, Ronnie?
Not bad.
Oh, fuck.
What are you up to today?
How's bloody going? So, mate, so a few mates.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing, mate?
Me? Nothing. I'm just hanging around. I saw you fucking stumbling across the road. I thought I'd come over and have a chat.
Don't worry about that,
Nah, I'm not worried about it. Gonna go tip a few more in.
You, hey, we're a bit drunk, eh?
Oh yeah. I saw you fall over in the bush. You look like you were fighting it.
Yeah. I tell you what, I was funny, yeah. Hey, on sleep. I'm a bit pissed out.
Just a little bit.
On sleep, I'm a bit pissed out.
Yeah.
On sleep, I'm a bit pissed out something.
Ah, that's alright. It's a good day for it.
Oh, beautiful day.
Oh, yeah.
But honestly, we are all a bit pissed.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Oh, sorry, eh? What? Bloody Christ! Wait a minute. Well, we're gonna see someone, eh?
Oh yeah.
The thing is, eh? I'm a bit pissed, eh?
No worries. You have a fucking good one, buddy.
I'm a bit pissed, eh?
Oh, I can tell.
Right, actually, I'm a bit pissed, eh? And of course, I say, eh? There you go, I just, alright.
Alright, you have fun.
Hey. But then, eh? Everybody, we saw ourselves the other day.
Oh yeah. Fuck yeah. You have a good one, buddy. You
Okay,
too.
mate.
Stay away from those bushes.
Hey.
They're fucking dangerous.
Hey.
Hey?
Don't worry about it, mate. That's fucking bushy, eh? If I got a piss right, or Henry Cockhead right, and a fucking piss right, as long as the cops don't fucking come around and hassle me, eh?
Yeah.
I can Henry Cockhead right.
Yeah, I don't want to see it.
Yeah, but
I don't want to see your cock.
those buggers, eh?
Huh? Oh yeah, take a piss if you want, I suppose. These people won't care. I'll step to the side though. I don't want to get fucking splashed back.
But the thing is, eh?
You're a bit pissed, aren't you?
Leave me alone, will you? Fucking leave me alone. I don't mind fucking having a bit of a piss, eh?
Yeah, nah. Neither do I.
And of course, so forth. Well, that's what happens, so. Of course, I was in fucking jail once.
Were you?
Yeah, I was in fucking, I locked up, eh?
What for?
Oh, I done some fucking, I don't know what for, but fuck it out, leave me alone, will you?
Alright. I'll leave you alone. Oh, you're taking a piss.
But, it's, we locked up, right? And inside, right? And what can you do?
Yeah.
Some arseholes there, eh? You want to fucking knock somebody out?
Not much. You could piss though.
I couldn't fucking shit, eh?
Yeah. Why not?
I couldn't fucking shit, eh?
Why not?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
The thing is, that you couldn't shit. Yeah. Where's it? Back up. But the thing is, that you couldn't fucking shit. I wasn't bloody. Wasn't bloody. So, of course, I couldn't fucking shit. I said to the bloody the pizzo, I said, okay, I'll go and shit. And he said, no, let's see, the brain ain't. There we go. But you couldn't shit, eh?
Nah.
I couldn't. No. Not actually have a bit of a crap